Hi Leonard, this is Greg. Yeah, I wanted to show you something in regards to the comments that you mentioned when we were in the share case. Let me go to our site here. I'll log in. So you wanted to have like 3 comments on your Tableau dashboard. So actually I had a Tableau dashboards in our workflow or ticket system here. So I can click over here. It's going to bring up a dashboard. So this is a Tableau dashboard here. So I can imagine in your dashboard you can get, from your sheets you can get multiple charts or graphs, right, and put it into a dashboard here. Right now I just have one for this one that's already been developed, and I have comments here that you see. These are the comments. So this is maybe something you would want, and it's not hard to do. This is basically to get the this is just a text area. It's basically your basic, HTML or JavaScript, your text area. So an example is right over here, text area. And the reason why I had to put in JavaScript because I put the data in a database, I have to fetch the data, and I have to put it here in a variable over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then all it is a query string. This is just your basic JavaScript. You get the values when you make changes in your text area, and I just query string. I post it to another page and manipulates it. We're using .NET MVC and SQL Server. I know you're using SQL Server, and I forgot what you're using, what language or what you're using to connect to your database. But yeah, it's pretty much once you get this, you get your query string, and you can manipulate the data however you do it. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, I can make changes here. I can just put exclamation marks just to show you it actually works. It's 3 exclamation marks. And I'll click save my comments here. So it's just calling that function I just showed you, method, and it just pretty much, and it saved it. So let's say if I went back home, and I'll just for this just so it shows you that I actually saved it, it's right here. So I made changes there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I also have some additional stuff here. I can view, this is at the user level right here. So I logged in as Haji, but if you wanted to see, if you log in, another person logs in with their user ID, they can write their own comment. So I have a grid here. This is a Telerik grid. When you got your socks, it's from Telerik Components. I get these components here. This is from me, what I just put here. But someone else, like Clay Thompson, this is a dummy record, of course, Clay Thompson, and he has his comments here. And I also can email comments here. I'll just email, and I'm just going to email myself because this is just a demo. This is a test, and I can send email. It says email sent, and I have drop downs here. It's coming from our contact interface. Let me show you our contact interface here. So I can select from other people too. I can send it to other people. I have my contacts interface here, and I can add new contacts here, create new. So that's where that's coming from. So that's pretty much it. It should be going to my email soon. And what else? Oh, so there's other features. Let me just show you really quick. Features here. Oh, there it goes. See that red dot here? So it's been emailed to me right here. Ticket count, comments from Greg Hall. Here's what I just sent myself here. So yeah, you can do stuff like that. This is a test. So let's go back here. So one thing is with using the JavaScript API event lister, I can hold down the control key. I can select all the, let's say, the warnings here. I can post these categories and update my database, put it into another grid. This is a drag and drop grid from Telerik. I can prioritize things like so, and I can Google them, special projects here. I'll close this guy. I can scheduling report financials. I can look at detail, and it's going to look at detail information here for reporting financials here. I can email this as well. Here. So yeah, we can do stuff like that just to show you that. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Thanks. So escape.